Hey parents, if you're watching this, your kid has probably been begging you for a quad bike. Before you make that decision, let's talk about what you really need to know. I'm going to break down everything from power types to safety gear, so you can make the best choice for your family. Let's tackle the big question first. Electric or petrol? Both have their sweet spots, so let's break it down. Electric quads are like the friendly neighbor next door. They're quiet, which means no angry neighbors, and they're super easy to maintain. Plus, if you're teaching a beginner, the smoother power delivery makes learning a breeze. Oh, and your wallet will thank you for those lower running costs. Now, petrol quads, they're the adventurous cousin. If you've got space to ride and your kid loves the thrill of real engine power, these are your go-to. They'll run all day on a tank of fuel, and they're perfect for those off-road adventures. Here's something crucial. Size really matters with quad bikes. You wouldn't give a 6-year-old a teenager's bike, right? The same applies here. Your child should be able to easily mount the quad and reach all controls while sitting comfortably. If they're stretching or struggling, that's a big red flag. For electric models, we're looking at different voltage systems. 24V is perfect for those little beginners. 36V when they're getting confident. 48V for the more experienced riders. With petrol engines, a 50, 110cc is great for younger kids. 125 to 250c works for teenagers. And remember, most come with power limiters. They're like training wheels for engines. Now let's talk protection. This isn't optional, folks. Your kid needs a proper helmet that fits, and I mean really fits, goggles to protect those precious eyes, tough clothes that cover all skin gloves for grip, and proper boots. No sneakers on quad bikes. Here's the deal. No one jumps on a quad bike and instantly becomes a pro. Start in an open, flat area. Yes, it might seem boring, but it's essential. And please, always supervise. No passengers either. These aren't designed for giving rides to friends. If you go electric, you're looking at battery care and simple motor checks. For petrol lovers, you'll need to handle oil changes, fuel system care, and regular filter cleaning. It's more work, but some folks love that hands-on maintenance time with their kids. Listen, whether you choose electric or petrol, quad bikes can be an amazing way to build confidence and create fantastic family memories. The key is making the right choice for your situation and always prioritizing safety. And hey, if you're ready to take the next step, I've got great news. Head over to riru.com. They've got an amazing selection of kids' quad bikes, both electric and petrol. Thanks for watching. And here's to safe, awesome adventures with your kids. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more family vehicle guides.